Cold shower benefits. Before we begin, if anyone is new here and they want to improve, subscribe and join the Legion today. It's time!
Time for what, Tiberius?
It's time for cold showers, Legionnaire Michael Cueva.
Cold showers?
Yes. Have you ever wondered why Aquaman became king of the ocean?
Was it because of his natural born ability to converse with sea creatures and control the tides?
No, that's a Hollywood myth. It was really because he kept taking cold showers under waterfalls every day.
Wait, what? Really?
No, I'm just joking. But you see, on this self-improvement journey, we are going to be working through a lot of different habits that are going to make you more successful in life. Maintaining positive habits in your life are the real foundations to your success. There's a famous quote that says, "We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit." And taking cold showers is a powerful habit that can bring a lot of benefits into your life if used in the right way.
So how can taking cold showers benefit me, Tiberius?
Great question, Legionnaire Michael. There are both psychological and physiological benefits that are brought about by cold showers. Let's go through them now. Now, the first benefit of taking cold showers is that you will start to train yourself to become comfortable with being uncomfortable.
Comfortable with being uncomfortable? What do you mean, Tiberius?
You see, in life, if you really want to succeed and push boundaries, you're going to need to get uncomfortable. You're going to need to go outside of your comfort zone. To really push your limits, you're going to need to go past those fixed boundaries that you have in place and get uncomfortable to get the hard things done. Getting into the habit of taking cold showers is a great way to help you experience being uncomfortable in a positive way. The great Roman emperor Marcus Aurelius said to himself, "At dawn, when you have trouble getting out of bed, tell yourself, I have to go to work. As a human being, what do I have to complain of? I'm going to do what I was born for, the things I was brought into this world to do. Or is this what I was created for? To huddle under the blankets and stay warm." You see, even one of the mightiest leaders of Rome battled against his own inclinations of being too comfortable huddling under his warm blankets in the morning. Cold showers are a great way for you to defy being comfortable, to help you power on to make positive changes in your life. To really build up success, you need to make fighting against slackness and comfort a habit. Cold showers will strengthen your willpower, and strengthened willpower will help you tackle other challenges in your life.
Sounds excellent.
Now, the second benefit that cold showers bring is that they will provide you with a natural, electrifying wake-up call that can give you a positive energy boost. It kind of works like positive electroshock therapy. You see, a lot of people rely on stimulants to wake themselves up and get going. Stimulants like caffeine and sugar. But the truth is, a nice, fresh, cold shower can really set you off for a productive day. Due to the high density of cold receptors in the skin, a cold shower works by sending a significant amount of electrical impulses from your peripheral nerve endings to your brain, which can result in powerful antidepressive and energetic effects. During a cold shower, endorphins are released that can promote feelings of well-being and optimism. Cold hydrotherapy has shown to be an effective reliever of depressive symptoms for some. Have you had a cold shower yet, Legionnaire Michael?
No, not yet.
When you do have one, you will notice a fresh alertness after taking it. This is the result of all the electrical signals that were brought online during the shower. Think of taking a cold shower like taking a natural, positive stimulant that only takes a few minutes of willpower to activate.
Sounds excellent.
Now, another benefit of cold showers is it completely grounds you into the present moment.
What do you mean?
You see, many people have problems with their mind, which likes to wander around a lot and can be anywhere but in the present moment. Many people get too distracted and their minds drift off to procrastinate or daydream. Remember, staying in the present moment is when real action takes place and real productive value is created. To make things this happen, you need to stay focused and stay present. It's good to plan for the future, but too much procrastination and daydreaming can sometimes be very unproductive. Cold showers will work by blasting with icy coolness in a way that is powerful enough to force your mind back into the present. It basically provides you with a complete sensory overload. This is a great way to reset your mind back into the present, into the here and now, and to continue on the journey to take action and get real things done. Now, another potential benefit of cold showers is improved immunity. The Iceman, Wim Hof, has used cold therapy and focused breathing to boost his immune system in almost miraculous ways. Scientific studies have found that taking a cold shower can increase the amount of white blood cells in your body. These blood cells protect you against diseases. Researchers theorize that this process is related to an increased metabolic rate, which stimulates the immune response.
Wow, interesting.
Now, another important factor that is associated with cold showers is male fertility.
Male fertility? What do you mean?
Well, if you get to that stage in your life where you're interested in starting a family, the enemy of male fertility is excessive heat exposure down below. It's been documented that repeated exposure to wet heat can lead to infertility risk in men. But this is more in relation to excessive hot tubs or hot baths. Men who spend too much time in hot baths have been known to have increased risk of infertility. So by making sure you're not having too many hot tubs or hot baths and instead opting for a cool, cold shower will help to maximize your fertility.
Wow, interesting.
And another benefit of cold showers is improved skin. Wellness experts have said that cold water tightens and constricts the blood flow, which can give your skin a healthier glow.
All these benefits sound great, Tiberius, but how does one actually go about it? What's the process of taking a cold shower?
Great question, Legionnaire Michael. Now, before you start taking cold showers, it's recommended you're in good health already. Cold shower therapy isn't recommended for those who are ill, young, or too old. And cold showers are much easier to take when you have already been maintaining the other positive habits we've discussed. And cold showers are like any type of challenging habit. They take a while to ease into and to adapt to, but over time it will become easier. At first it will seem very difficult, but after repeated cold exposure, it won't be as hard. The other important aspect before taking a cold shower is to mentally prepare yourself for it. Take a moment to relax, take some slow and steady deep breaths, and anticipate the coldness. Remind yourself that this is not a big deal. Sure, it will be uncomfortable, but it is not forever. Now, there's a few ways to take cold showers, but for now, we will focus on two different approaches.
What are they?
The more gentler and easier approach is to enter the shower with warm water already running. Then gradually, as the shower is running, you decrease the temperature slowly all the way down until it becomes cold. Once the cold water is fully running, you remain under it for 2 to 3 minutes, rotating your body to cover different areas. Remember to remain calm and relaxed and try not to overreact too much to the coldness. After the timer is up, switch off the water, dry off, and get warm. The other approach is a bit more confronting. There are no warm-ups, there is no warm water running. You start off with cold water running straight away, and then step in with your extremities first. Get the cold water on your feet, legs, hands, and arms first, then move towards your chest, then slowly rotate round to the sides, then proceed to shower your back, which has mini cold sensors on it, then finally put your head and face under. Once you're fully under the cold shower, remain under it for 2 to 3 minutes and absorb the coolness. Once the timer is up, turn off the water, get out, and get warm. How does that sound, Legionnaire? Do you think you can commit to a cold shower?
Sounds great, Tiberius. It's time to start getting comfortable with being uncomfortable.
And because the Self-Improvement Army is a legion of action, leave a comment below if you've been taking cold showers or plan to take them. And if any Legionnaire wants to be featured in the next march, leave the Roman phrase aut viam inveniam aut faciem in the comments below. But for now, let's toast to victory!
To victory! To victory! To victory! To victory!